All right, one of the neatest things about our spas is our therapy jets. Now, most of the time we can get our waterway jets in. Occasionally we have to use standard jets that have really good pressure, but I really love these waterway jets. They actually come with a couple of different nozzles and they're interchangeable. In this spa, this is how easy it is to get it in and out, and they just thread in. And the nice thing is, now it's back in, the nice thing is you can control pressure and you can control the amount of flow and volume that comes out of each head. So you can actually turn them down and turn them off to where it distributes more pressure to other heads. You can open them back up, and this is about a half to quarter turn and that's it. And these are our waterway jets, and they're really pretty cool.